Hello guys, this is Gurpal. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well. Today I'm going to replace the clutch cable on my FZ25. Recently when I was going to my friend Rajesh in the middle of the road at nowhere, my clutch cable got broke. Luckily there was a mechanic nearby, so I got it temporarily fixed, but it is just a temporary solution. It's not a permanent, it's not reliable. So I have a clutch cable with me right now, the original Yamaha clutch cable. Today I'm going to replace it and will also show you guys how to do it. I'm going to remove this side panel. If you don't know how to remove the side panel, you can watch my video on air filter and the video on adjusting the idle. This is the original cable I have bought from Yamaha. I think I have bought for 110 or 20. We have got one adjuster here, and the another adjuster is here in the lever. First of all, I'm going to tighten this up completely so the cable will get loose, and we have to unplug. It's pretty dark here. It's difficult to shoot. This is the another adjuster. I'm going to tighten this up, and this will increase the length of the inner wire, and it will be easier to remove. The more you open this side, the more the cable will get tight. Now let's try pulling it out from here. One thing you need to know is there is a cut given here in both of these the adjuster, and we align this cut with the cut given here, and this allows us to pull the cable out from here. The cable is still tight. I think I'll first remove it from the bottom. It's very difficult to do a shoot and also install. It becomes a problem for the people like us. I think I should cut the cable. I don't need it. Only the inner wire was replaced, and the mechanic has put this kind of adjuster here, and it's difficult to pull that out. So I'm going to use this plier and cut the wire because I don't need it. Better than opening it. There is a little plate given here which I have to pull that out. Now I'll remove this cable. Just check the routing of the cable and route the new one from the same place. It's being routed from here to here. Look at that. This is the ring. There is a mark given here. Align this mark with this mark, and then pull this out. Pull this cover out to install it in the new one. Make sure you tighten this adjuster. It will make the inner wire a little bit longer, and then once we install it, we'll adjust this. There is a clamp kind of thing given here. You can see that. We need to put this area inside this clamp. Don't worry about this. It is just put this inside. I'm doing this with one hand. I am holding this camera on my another hand, and then put this here. Now hook this inside. Like so. There is a cut given here, a U-shaped cut given here. I'm sorry I cannot show this in the camera because it's on the other side. Once you try to install it, you can notice it. and then pull this thing inside. Okay, now let's install the. I'm applying some grease here. Put this inside and then pull it out. Align these marks and then put in. That's how you do it. It's very simple. I have tightened this up and now we need to adjust the free play, but I'm not going to adjust the free play from here. I'm going to adjust the free play from here first. So I'm going to loosen this up as much as possible and then we'll move with the lever adjuster. So I'm loosening it as much as possible and then we'll check the lever. I have loosened it completely, but don't pull that out from the thread. Use the 10 mm open end spanner and tighten this both. You need to use 2 open end spanner because you need to hold this together. Now whenever you are going to buy the open end spanner, always buy the 2 pieces because you do sometimes require the 2. Now tighten this lock nut. Now let's check the free play. It's perfect. We need very slight movement, slight free play. Now what happens in the future, if I want to adjust the free play, I can adjust it from here. So I have plenty of room here to adjust the free play. This is completely tight as of now. Now this much in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share my channel and videos, because I believe you will not find these types of videos in any YouTube channel. Thanks for watching guys. Take care. Bye bye.